Hey guys, this is Natalie here at Mopar Wholesale Parts, and what we have here is a Jeep key fob. We are going to pry this open and show you how to get to the battery, so when you need to change it. So all you have to do is just pry pretty much all around, because all in this key fob are little clips, so you don't want to pry it here and then break this. So yeah, you have to go all around the key fob with the flathead screwdriver. As you can hear the clicks, it's opening all around. And there you go. Here we have a battery CR2450, and if you look closely in this area, you could see like a little screwdriver. That's where you put the flathead in to get the battery out. And it's out. Okay, so when you're replacing it, just put it back in. Make sure positive side up shows right there, and just put it back together. Cool. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mopar Wholesale Parts. If you're interested in buying the part from us, click the links below for our eBay and Amazon stores, and give us a follow on our Instagram page at Mopar Wholesale Parts. Thanks for watching.